Hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, if you're new here. My name is Britt, and today I'm going to be unboxing the spring charm box from Daily Charm. This is late, so really I'm just going to open this up and let you enjoy seeing all the products inside. I'm not going to do any more voiceover, just going to pop in some music here. Life has been lifing, so I wanted to make sure I got this up, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a like and subscribe to my channel so I can see you around for more videos like this. Bye guys!